Dear friends, welcome to DB Infotech YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to convert .chk file to .fchk file in Ubuntu. If you do any geometry optimization or molecular orbital calculation in Ubuntu or Linux system, in server also, you cannot use that chk file, because if you use that chk file in that Windows version of DOS view, it cannot open that file. So you will get some error. I will show you that error. For that, you need to convert your .chk file to fchk file in Ubuntu system itself. Then you can take that .fchk file and you can do your analysis like molecular orbital or visualization of that optimized geometry. So I will tell you what is the error and how to convert also. I will teach you in this video. So please watch up to the end. So this is actually I did this calculation in Linux machine. So just I want to show you what's the error is coming if you use directly that Ubuntu generated chk file. Just you can open your Gauss view. Just you can drag it. See, if you use directly that chk file is not opening. For that, what we have to do, we need to convert that chk file to fchk in Ubuntu system. Then we can take that one, we can process that chk file. So just we will close this. So just we will go to the Linux machine terminal. So this is actually that optimized file. So this is the converted optimized MO calculation file. So this is that generated chk. So now I will show you how to convert this Linux machine chk to fchk file conversion. For that, first you need to know where you installed your Gaussian 16 software. First you need to know the place. So where I installed my Gaussian software in Ubuntu opt G60. So this is my pathway of the Gaussian installation directory. So I can click that other location, then it will show that Ubuntu. Here you can find my path. This is the opt. So this is G60. This is the place. You need to find that formchk utility. Here you can see free check. So this is the formchk. So if you install that Linux version, your Ubuntu or Linux version, so this is that we are going to use this utility program to convert our chk to fchk file conversion. Now we can open new terminal. So now we will convert this chk file to fchk file. So for that we need to go to our this is our folder. So just you can go to this folder. Just you can copy this path. Yes. So we have our folder, that chk file. So now we need to give that path, the Gaussian file installation path. So that path is ours. So this is the Gaussian 16 installation path. Just we can also copy this. So just you can paste this one. Then form check. Just you mentioned which utility program you are going to use. Form check. Now you can give your line chk files. L1, MO. Just to type your name of the file. chk to output file. L1 mo.fch. Okay, so this is the things. Just go to your uh, file containing that mochk file. Then you can type that Gaussian installation folder, that is the /g16 and the utility program name. So I have installed my Gaussian in this place opt folder. So if you install any other place, just you can go to that corresponding file folder path. So now I mentioned that L1 mochk and L1 fchk. So if you press enter, that file automatically convert your chk to fchk file name. So just I will do enter now. Yes. So our chk file converted into fchk file. So that's if you see if you get any something wrong in that chk file, you need completely do your mo calculation or geometry optimization. Then you won't get any kind of errors. So now we will see our folder. See here that fchk file is generated. This is the our converted fchk file. Just we can copy this one, put it to our so this is our converted fchk file. So now I will show you this file with our Gaussian Gauss view. Just open your Gauss view. You can just drag this fchk file. So now this will easily open. Earlier it's not opening that chk file. Now it will open. Now you can make your surface contours or any other things if you want to do any calculation. Just I will show you. So this mo contour generation. So this is the molecular orbital HOMO. So we need to wait some time so that calculation is running here. So now it's generated. Now we can view our molecular orbital. So this is our MO, this is the HOMO surface. So that's all. So if you are getting any error, just comment in that video. So I will happy to answer. So this is the method to convert Linux machine chk file to fchk file. So just you can watch this and you can learn it. So thank you for watching my video. If you really like my content, please subscribe to my channel and share to your friend and comment the video. So thank you. Enjoy.